Hey guys, hope you all are having an amazing day. This is Kevin and you're watching Khao Piyo Masyo. And today I'm going to show you how to make a summer special recipe. That is mango lassi. Hope you all like it. Let's go make it.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make an easy summer special mango lassi or mango smoothie. First, we are going to peel and cut fresh ripe mangoes. I'm using 3 large mangoes which serves 4 people. This is a very simple recipe guys and has good nutritional value. Any fruit has natural sugars which is good for your body. Moreover, mangoes are packed with immunity boosting nutrients and antioxidants, so don't hesitate to try out this recipe guys. Once I cut the mango pieces into cubes, I'm going to add the fresh fruit to a blender and then some yogurt. I'm going to add 1 cup of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add sugar as per your taste, and I'm going to add some ice cubes, blend the mixture well, and now your smoothie is ready. Enjoy the smoothie chilled with some ice cubes. You can also garnish them with dry fruits or with some mango pieces as well. Please do try this recipe this summer guys to beat the heat and take advantage of the mango season. See you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, hope you all are having an amazing day. This is Kevin and you're watching Khao Piyo Masyo. And I'm back with another summer special recipe. And today's recipe is going to be frozen yogurt cookies dipped in chocolate sauce. Hope you all like it. Let's go make it.
To make frozen yogurt cookies, I'm going to use 2 ripe mangoes. First, I'm going to peel the mangoes. This is a very simple recipe and you can choose any other fruit that you like. You can add strawberries or apples as well. Next, I'm going to dice the mango into small pieces. I've decided to use mangoes because it really goes well with the rest of the ingredients and it's a summer fruit. It's really refreshing. Now once I have my cut fruit ready, I'm going to add some yogurt to it. I'm using Greek yogurt. I would recommend using Greek yogurt because it has a really smooth texture and it binds the fruit well. It also gives a sweetness to the recipe. And also make sure not to add too much of yogurt to the fruit because it makes it really runny. Make sure the consistency is fine, like it holds together. And we're going to keep it aside for a while. Next, we are going to take a baking tray and we are going to place a parchment paper on the baking tray. And now next we are going to add the yogurt and fruit mixture on the parchment paper. You can use an ice cream scoop or a regular spoon. And since I'm making frozen yogurt cookies, I placed large portions on the parchment paper. And now I'm going to place the tray in the freezer and max freeze it for an hour or 2. You can also leave it overnight. Next we are going to prepare the chocolate sauce. The chocolate sauce, I'm using 300 grams of chocolate. I would recommend using dairy milk silk because it gave a really smooth texture to the whole recipe. Add some chocolate pieces to a microwavable bowl and place it in the microwave for about 15 to 30 seconds, and at regular intervals keep stirring it so it doesn't seize. After max freezing for 2 hours, the cookies are ready. As you can see, they have been frozen well and ready to be dipped into the chocolate sauce. Now before dipping the cookies into the chocolate sauce, please do check the temperature as it shouldn't be warm or hot. The chocolate sauce should be cooled for a while before dipping the cookies. And also please make sure that the texture of the chocolate sauce is not runny or too thick. The consistency is very important for this recipe. Now we are going to place the tray back into the freezer and max freeze for another 2 to 3 hours or overnight. The frozen yogurt cookies are ready, and I also drizzled them with chocolate sauce. It is a very yummy recipe, and also it's a very simple one, and please do try this recipe before the mango season ends. This is a very delicious treat and you should try it. It is a must try. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, comment, subscribe and share. We'll see you in the next one.
Well, that's it for today, guys. Frozen yogurt cookies came out really well. These cookies are just amazing and easy to make. Hope you all liked the recipe. And if you did, do try this amazing recipe. And please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Khao bhi mast. Hey guys, hope you all are having an amazing day. This is Kevin and you're watching Khao Pio Masyo. And in this video, I'm going to show you a summer special recipe, that is curd rice. Hope you all like it. Let's go make it. To make curd rice, first I'm going to take 100 grams of rice. Now I'm going to add some water and wash the rice. Now I'm going to add the rice in a pressure cooker and cook the rice. Rice is cooked properly. Now in a bowl, I'm going to add already cooked rice. Now I'm going to let the rice cool down a bit. Now I'm going to add 500 grams of curd. Mix everything well. After giving it a nice mix, now I'm going to add 1 to 2 glasses of water. Give it a mix. I'm going to add some salt. Add salt as per taste. Now I'm going to add 1 chopped onion, 3 to 4 green chilies cut into halves, handful of chopped coriander leaves, and some sliced or grated ginger. Grated ginger adds a really nice flavor to the curd rice. I'm going to add ½ inch of ginger. Mix everything well. After giving it a nice mix, now I'm going to keep this aside. Now in another bowl, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. After the oil is heated, I'm going to add 3 dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera and handful of curry leaves. Now I'm going to add the spices to the curd rice. Give it a nice mix. Curd rice is done and is ready to be served. This recipe is a perfect summer recipe you can serve it with some chips or chutney. Hey guys, hope you all are having an amazing day. This is Kevin and you're watching Khao Piyo Mast Show. And today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing summer special Mohabbat Ka Sharbat recipe. Hope you all like it. Let's go make it. To make Mohabbat Ka Sharbat, first I'm going to take a small watermelon. And now I'm going to cut it into a half. I'm going to cut the watermelon in small cubes. After cutting the watermelon in small cubes, I'm going to keep it aside. Now in another bowl, I'm going to add half liter milk. I'm going to use chilled milk. Now in this, I'm going to add 1 cup sugar. I'm using powdered sugar. You can add normal sugar or milk maid. Now I'm going to add half glass of roux afza. You can add rose syrup if you want. After adding roux afza, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, which I already soaked in water. Now I'm going to add the diced watermelon. You can add watermelon as much as you like. And now I'm going to add plenty of ice cubes. Give it a nice mix. After giving it a nice mix, Mohabbat Ka Sharbat is done and is ready to be served. You can serve it chilled. Well, that's it for today guys. Mohabbat Ka Sharbat came out really well. It is easy to make and a perfect summer drink. Hope you all liked the recipe, and if you did, do try this amazing recipe and please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Khao Piyo Mast Show.